Hello, excuse me. Is this the line from Age of the Film?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm also here. Okay. Yeah, please. Whole family you bring. Oh yeah, of course. Excuse me.
You're excused.
Hello, excuse me. You're blind or what? You can't see the line?
I can see, that's why I'm standing in the... You see these people ahead of me?
The line starts there actually. Don't try to act over smart and all.
You know
okay?
who I am, yeah?
I
Don't
know
let
what
me
you
do,
were
don't let me do, don't let me do.
Everybody will come off and stand in line. Oh, one more person came. Hello, excuse me, sir. Your popping line. Father-in-law, actually.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Did I cut the line?
No. Wherever you stand, line starts there. Yeah.
Thank you. Can I call my friends?
To the line?
Yeah.
Where we're standing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sure, yeah.
Hey, come.
You have a lot of friends actually. Okay. Can you give me your phone number? Okay.
You want my number?
Your number. Actually, yeah, what is it?